very little encouragement in the short term. China obviously is making its way back, but it can only go so far because there's a limit to how much domestic stimulation you can do on your own if the rest of the world is still in a deteriorating situation. And although exports are much less important than they used to be, down significantly by around a third in terms of their contribution to GDP, and the value added inside China is even less because they're really an assembler more than a manufacturer, it's still a problem if all your customers are in lockdown, which most of them are at the moment in Europe and to some extent the US as well.
How long does this slowdown last, in your opinion?
It's going to have a long tail. Yes, we can get some things going fairly quickly, but with no assumption about a vaccine or a cure that really does work, governments are going to be very reluctant to put the economy before people. And I'm not a politician. I'm glad I don't have to make these decisions. But the trade-off is going to become more and more tricky because the longer lockdowns go on, the more the damage to the economy and the more people, through either failing to get treatment for other problems or through mental health, are going to start creating a deficit in health on that side of the equation. So at what point do you sort of stop logging coronavirus deaths and look at the total picture? And I think that's going to still take a few months.